Are you looking for the TOP5 Best 4K Laser Smart TV Projectors? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best 4K Laser Smart TV Projectors on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Anker Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K. The Anker Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K skips the fuss of other installation methods with a convenient tabletop mount. Little details help, too, like the button control and an ergonomic handle to help you transport it to the space of your choosing. Once there, the Intelligent Environment Adaptation IA technology, which means that the screen will automatically size itself to your chosen space. The 4K UHD display is startlingly clear and also bright with 2400 ISO lumens. You do not have to sacrifice sound either, with dual 5W tweeters with dual 10W speakers for fantastic sound. Number 2. Hisense PEX1 PRO TriChroma Laser Cinema. The Hisense PEX1 PRO TriChroma Laser Cinema also shares a tabletop mount for easy setup. As an ultra-short throw projector, it does not have to be placed far away to fill your space. It shares 200 watts with 2200 lumens. So while it is not the brightest on our list, you will receive excellent pictures from the incorporated TriChroma laser engine. There is 4K UHD imaging with over 8 million pixels to make an incredible picture. Plus there are special modes like Filmmaker mode and Game mode to better customize your picture. With built-in 30W Dolby Atmos sound, it is an all-around great pick. Number 3. LG HU85LA CineBeam. The LG HU85LA CineBeam is a Class 1 laser projector that is ultra-bright with 2700 lumens, the most on our list, with a 4K UHD display. It is an ultra-short throw projector, meaning it can display a 120-inch screen from less than 7.5 inches away, giving greater flexibility with placement. With LG Smart TV, this model uses a simple HDMI connection, with Bluetooth connectivity and instant streaming for apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Alexa comes built in as well. HDR10 and dynamic tone mapping brings beautiful picture. Plus you will find LG exclusive ThinQ AI technology. Number 4. Samsung the Premier. Samsung the Premier is an ultra-short throw projector that does not require large distances to project your favorite movies and shows on the latest surfaces. It does require a wall mount but features 4K UHD ultra-bright laser technology. There are 2200 lumens with 240 watts for brightness with a 4K resolution that is sparkling clear. This smart TV from Tizen incorporates outstanding sound with a powerful subwoofer and 30W speakers. Plus, voice assistants are available from all your favorite services, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby. Number 5. LG CineBeam UHD 4K Projector HU715QW. LG nice-looking HU715Q is the new king of ultra-short throw USD projectors due to the picture quality, tech on offer, and reasonable $3,000 price. With a 20,000-30,000 hour laser light source, it delivers 2500 ANSI lumens, along with accurate colors across 86% of the DCI-P3 gamut, enough for most HDR content. And speaking of that, it supports both HDR10 and HLG, along with frame-by-frame tone mapping. Rival models offer similar specs, but the HU715Q trumps them in sound and technology. The 20-watt two-way stereo speakers have a great sound quality on their own, but you can supplement them with Bluetooth speakers from LG and nearly any other brand to create surround sound. The standout feature, though, is LG WebOS Smart TV capabilities that give you Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime, and other apps, all with full 4K HDR support and surround sound, including eARC output for Dolby Atmos and lossless audio. It also supports HDMI 2.1 and better still, full 4K or 1096x2160 rather than just UHD. LG nice-looking HU715Q is the new king of ultra-short throw projectors due to the picture quality, tech on offer, and reasonable price.